Hi, my dear students. After a long time, I have met you. Today, I would like to share with the topic definite integrals. In the JEE mains syllabus, JEE advanced and mains syllabus, out of definite integrals, the fundamental theorem of calculus is there, on which at least 3 or 4 questions are appearing in competitive exams, national-wide exams. That is why I am discussing the part and parcel of definite integrals is the topic, the fundamental theorem of calculus. Please carefully listen. And I have discussed a few questions which already appeared in JEE mains and advanced. What type of questions they are, you will come to know related to this, the topic, the fundamental theorem of calculus. The fundamental theorem of calculus is a theorem that links the concept of differentiating a function with the concept of integrating a function. The fundamental theorem of calculus is a theorem that links the concept of differentiating a function with the concept of integrating a function. The first part of the theorem, sometimes called the first fundamental theorem of calculus, states that one of the antiderivatives, also called indefinite integral, say capital F, of some function small f, may be obtained as the integral of small f with a variable bound of integration. Conversely, the second part of the theorem, sometimes called the second fundamental theorem of calculus, states that the integral of function small f over some internal or over some interval can be computed by using any one, say capital F, of its infinitely many antiderivatives. Again I am telling, conversely, the second part of the theorem, sometimes called the second fundamental theorem of calculus, states that the integral of function small f over some interval can be computed by using any one, say capital F, of its infinitely many antiderivatives. This is actual conceptual approach on the fundamental theorem of calculus. The fundamental theorem of calculus is in the syllabus of JEE Mains and Advanced. With regard to it, we are discussing a few questions in this video. In my notes, I explained it. You have to carefully view and listen to my explanation. Okay? And apart from all this, to get updated videos, you have to share and subscribe. Till 2021 JEE Mains and Advanced exams, some vital topics have been discussed all this time. You must be aware of that. Thank you. View without wasting time. View my notes and listen to my explanation. Thank you. The fundamental theorem of calculus. The fundamental theorem of calculus. It is one part of the topic of definite integrals as per the syllabus of JEE Mains and Advanced. The fundamental theorem of calculus, on which a few questions I have discussed. So what style of questions will be coming in the competitive exams, I have discussed. See this. Let d by dx of f of x, capital F of x, equals to e power sin x by x, where x greater than 0, if integral 1 to 4 3 by x e to the power sin of x cube dx equals to capital F of k minus capital F of 1. Then one of the possible values of k is, I have given the answer because options will be there, one of the options, this one. Once it was given in the national wide exam. You see, the question d by dx of capital F of x equals to e to the power sin x by x, where x greater than 0. d of f of x equals to e to the power sin x by x into dx. Both sides are integrated. I got integral d of f of x equals to integral e to the power sin x by x dx. Implies this is antiderivative and this is derivative. So antiderivative, derivative will fly away. F of x equals to integral e to the power sin x by x dx. This is number 1. Equation number 1 I have taken. Also, it is given in the question If 1 to 4 3 by x e to the power sine x cube dx equals to f of k minus f of 1, then find the one of the possible values of k. That is the question. That is why I have taken also 1 to 4 3 by x e to the power sine x cube dx equals to, I am going to evaluate this 1 to 4 3x square by x cube e to the power sine x cube. We have to adjust like this because x cube is there. If there is x cube, there must be derivative of x cube 3x square by the side of this. Otherwise, we cannot integrate. That you have learned how to evaluate. Therefore, for x cube 3x square, I have kept here because it is must. We have to put it. If we put it 3x square, you have to put x cube because 3x square by x cube is 3 by x, 3 by x. Same thing should be coming, but adjustment must be done to evaluate the integration. Both works should be simultaneously done. 1 to 4 3x square by x cube e power sine x cube dx equals to already given f of k minus f of 1. Now I want to take, that is what I said no already. For x cube derivative 3x square I put no. So x cube as t I have taken 3x square dx equal to dt, dt by dx equal to 3x square and dx 3x square, the 3x square dx equal to dt. Implies x equal to 1, I am evaluating x equal to 1, x equal to 1, t equal to 1. We are changing into variable t, everything. X equals to 1, t equal to 1. X equal to 4, x equal to 4, t equal to 64. E to the power sine t by t, e to the power sine t by t. How t comes here? Here x cube equal to t. So here 3x square dx, 3x square dx is dt, x cube is t. So it has been changed or transformed like this, equals to f of k minus f of 1. Using first equation, f of t 1 to 64, because first equation what? F of x equal to integral e to the power sin x by x dx. Here what we get here? F of t. What is f of t? Integral e to the power sin t by t dt. So integral 1 to 64 e to the power sin t by t dt. So in place of this we can write according to the first equation, we can write in place of this capital F of t 1 to 64 equals to f of k minus f of 1. This is f of 64 minus f of 1 equals to f of k minus f of 1. Therefore, k equal to 64. Like this, we can fundamental theorem of calculus is applied in this. Observe carefully. In 1 I have substituted. In 1 I have substituted. This is f of t, f of t. This is f of t. This is f of t. This integration is f of t. Total integration is f of t. Total integration f of t. Limits are 1 to 64. 1 to 64. So therefore, upper limit minus lower limit like this, k equal to 64. If 0 to x, integral 0 to x, f of t dt equals to x square plus integral x to 1 t square f of t dt, then f dash of 1 by 2 is. All the questions are in connection with derivative and antiderivative. The operations of derivative and antiderivative at a time in one question. Like that, the questions are given in the examination. 0 to x, f of t dt, x square plus x to 1, integral x to 1, t square f of t dt. Here, derivate throughout, differentiate throughout. If you differentiate throughout, d by dx of x 1 and substitute x in the f of x minus d by dx of 0. Here again I am telling you, this is with respect to t. This is with respect to t. Here f of t dt is given, but integral 0 to x, limits over 0 to x. How it is become f of x? If you differentiate with x both sides, here d by dx of x is 1 into you substitute is here f of x minus d by dx of 0 is 0 into f of 0, so total is 0, so that is f of x equals to d by dx of x square is 2x plus d by dx of 1 is 0, d by dx of 1 is 0 into 1 square f of 1, that is also total 0, minus d by dx of x is 1 and put x square into f of x like this. Here the thing is, I will tell you like this. 0 to x f of t dt d by dx of, what is this I am telling? D by dx of upper limit into substitute x here, f of x minus d by dx of lower limit into substitute lower limit f of 0 like this. In this case, what we are getting, d by dx of x is 1, f of x minus 0. This is what? F of x. That f of x only I have written here. How I have done this one? Similarly, you have to do this. D by dx of 1, 0. If you substitute 1 square and f of 1, 0 into that much will become 0 minus d by dx of x 1 into, if you substitute x, x square f of x. Now, if you take this side, f of x common 1 plus x square and f of x equal 2x. F of x equal 2x by 1 plus x square. So, f dash of x equals to u by v. U by v. U by v formula is u by v formula d by dx of u by v equals to v du by dx minus v du by u dv by dx by v square. U by v, d by dx of u by v, v du by dx minus u dv by dx, u dv by dx by v square. That, with that formula, we got 2 minus 2x square by 1 plus x square whole square, f dash 1 by 2, because that is the question. F dash 1 by 2 how much? If you substitute 1 by 2 in place of x, you will get 24 by 25. Question number 3. Question number 3 is a question given in 2019. If integral x power 5 into e power minus 4x cube dx equals to 1 by 48 e power minus 4x cube f of x plus c. When c is constant of integration, then what is f of x? So, it is nothing but only integration. If you do how to know integration, how to evaluate integration, if you know it, then you can get the answer. This is only direct integration only. But in this integration, we will come across bipods method. Bipods method. The bipods method, you know very well that if there is f into g of x integral dx equals to here f of x into integral g of x dx minus integral g of x dx into f dash x, this f dash x. This is by parts. One function, if there is first function f and second function g of x, first function is keep like that, and in the second part it will be derivative. First function, there are two parts. First function you keep as it is, f of x, but in the second part you will keep f dash of x. And now second function integrate integral g of x dx. So first, which one first function we have to take? Because first function is a derivative function. Which function we have to take as second function? Because second function we are going to integrate it. That we have to select. So integrate second function integral gx dx f of x into integral g of x dx minus integral, this integral g of x dx you dump here. This total integral g of x dx you dump here into the derivative of this f dash of x. This is the by parts process, by parts method. Similarly, we are coming here by parts method. Here, x cube equal to t, I have taken 3x square dx equal dt. Integral x power 5 e power minus 4 x cube dx equals to, here we have substituted 3x square dx. So x square dx, here x square dx, dt by 3, x square dx dt by 3, x square dx dt by 3. Here x square I have taken, no, x cube is there. So x cube is t, no, t dt e power minus 4 x cube t dt. Like this, we will, given this one, we will transfer like this. We will evaluate like that. Now, by parts method, this is first function, derivative function, because derivative of t is 1. First we write t, in the next time we write 1, derivative of t. I have told you, no, this is t. In the next time, so you see here, this is f of x. In the next time, f dash x, like that. So here, t I have written, what is the integration of this? It is very easy for integration, e power minus 4t, same, by minus 4, t coefficient we will write here, minus integral, this one we have to dump here, t derivative is 1 into dt. So 1 by 3, if you take like this, flower bracket open, here t into e power minus 4t by minus 4 plus e power minus 4t by, what is this? E power minus 4t, again integration. Again 1 by minus 4, 1 by minus 4, minus into minus, plus, 1 by minus 4, 4 into minus 4, minus 16, plus c. So here we simplify that. Minus 1 by 48, this is 16, 16 into 3, 48, minus 1 by 48, e power minus 40, also we can take common, and 40 plus 1 plus c remained. So again we, in place of t, again what you have taken, x cube equal t, no, again we have to substitute x cube, because the question is in x cube, no, not in t. That is why we have changed that into x cube terms, f of x, like this it has come. This is in the form of 1 by 48 e power minus 4x cube into f of x. You see the question, into f of x plus c. This is nothing but integration by parts. You will get f of x equals to minus 1 minus 4x cube. Here, another question from definite integrals. The questions naturally will be given purely from indefinite integral involved with the by parts method, or else step functions, the greatest integer function or the least integer function, or modulus function, or trigonometric functions. The integrand, this is the integrand will be given such forms, just what I have said. And then you are asked to find direct integration, either indefinite or definite. This is one type of question. Or else, I have discussed the first, second questions. No, it is first, second questions how it was mixed with derivative and antiderivative questions. So, according to the fundamental principle of calculus, according to fundamental theorem of calculus, on the basis of that, first to second questions I discussed. No, those questions will be given. These are the types. 3 or 4 questions often appear in the question paper. You see here, this is very important. This is step function denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to function. It is denoted with the square brackets. Here, in this type of question, you have to divide minus pi by 2 into subparts. So, how to divide? Minus pi by 2 you have to understand. I will tell you like this. Pi by 2 is nothing but 22 by 7 into 2, that is 22 by 14 equals to 14 once 14, 1 point. 8 will be coming, 80, 14, 5, 14, 6 how much? 14, 6. 14, 6 how much? 60, 24, 14 into 6. Here, what is here? 8 only, 80, here 84. So, 1.5 something like that it is coming. Followed. 14 once 14. 8 will be remaining, 80 decimal, 80, this is 14, 6, 84. So, just more. So, 14 fives I have taken, 14 fives, okay, 70 here I have taken. So, 1.5 something like that. Because in this step function, if it is minus 1.5, it will be minus 2. If it is plus 1.5, it is plus 1. Like that you have to understand. And moreover, I want to give you like this. Some cases it will be coming sin 1. Sin 1 means sin 53 degrees, not exactly 53 degrees, some minutes will be there. So, sin 53 degrees, that is why I have kept here approximate equal to. Sin 53, sin 45, 45 to 53, what is the difference approximate? The slight difference is 53, 8 degrees will be there. 45 plus 8, 53. So, 8 degrees keep like that. 45 degrees, what much you are getting? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 means root 2 by 2, if you rationalize. 1.4145 by 2. So, 0.707 something like that. So, here step of sin 1, 0.7 like that means 0 will be coming. And in case minus comes, minus 1 will be coming. That is coming like that. For that, this will be useful. That is why I have explained this one. Sin 1 means, you should not confuse. Sin 1 means sin 1 radian, it is approximately equal to sin 53 degree like that. Everything approximately we are just in points we are counting. Here, now we are coming to the solution to this question. You have to divide into parts which are convenient to this greatest integer less than or equal to function. Minus pi by 2 to minus 1. Minus 1 to 0. 0 to 1. And 1 to pi by 2. Here, minus pi by 2 minus 1, how it is? When your given greatest integer function, you have to take this one, this one, this one, this one. So now we are going to take this one, minus pi by 2. So here, step off minus pi by 2. Pi by 2 how much I told? Here I told pi by 2, 1.5. Minus 1.5, step off minus 1.5. Step off minus 1.5. Step off minus 1.5 is minus 2. This is sine 1. This is sine, this is minus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 means how much I told? Minus 1.5 here. Okay. Minus sine pi by 2 here. Here what is there? If you keep here minus pi by 2, you will get minus 2. Because this is minus pi by 2 means how much? 1.5 minus 1.5 means minus 2. Next for sin x. Sine of minus pi by 2. Minus sine pi by 2 minus 1 plus 4 over. Next. Minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 you take. Minus 1, step of minus 1, minus 1. Sine of minus 1. Minus sine 1. Minus sine 1. What is sine 1? I told 0 point something. What is sine 1 here? Sine 1 0 point something. Sine 1 0 point something here. Okay, minus sine 1 means minus 0 point something, that is minus 1 plus 4. Next, 0, 0, 0. Sine 0, 0, 0 plus 4. Next, 1, 1 to pi by 2. 1 only we have to take. 1 if you substitute, 1 only. 1 if you substitute sine 1. What is sine 1? Sine 1 is 0 point something. So 0 point something means step of 0 point something is 0 plus 4. Like that you have to carefully observe. Now it is very easy. Minus pi by 2 minus 1 dx by 1. Minus 1 to 0 dx by 2. 0 to 1 dx by 4. And 1 to pi by 2 dx by 5. And from here you know very well, this is minus 1 plus pi by 2, minus 1 of minus pi by 2 plus 1 by 2, 0 of minus 1 plus 1, 1 by 4, 1 minus 0, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, pi by 2 minus 1. Like this, if we simplify, we have to do like this. Here you have to observe. You have to observe here, sine 1 will be approximate equals to 0 point something, 8 or something like that, So step of sine 1 will be 0. Step of minus sine 1, it means a step of minus step of 1 is 0. Step of 1 is 0. Minus sine 1, step of minus sine 1 means 0.8 something like that, it will be -1. That you have to know. I am telling not exactly minus 0.8. Sin 1 I am not exactly telling, it is approximately telling. Anyhow, 0.89 or something, 9, 0.9. Anyway, that 0 point something only will be coming for sin 1. It's not exactly like that. I am giving approximate value because sin 45, sin 1 means sin 53 degrees approximately. Sin 45 degrees is 0.7 like that. So, according to sin 45 0.7 like that, sin 53 will be 8 degrees more. So, we can say some 0 point something only. We will count like that. Okay, please observe that you have to do this question very carefully. Thank you.